Now we will go back and here you see Softaculous app. So this is the very interesting area. I really want you to put your attention here. So click on this. Now here is the gold mine. When it's a gold mine means if you are a person and you think that you got multiple things you can do, you want to do, but you do not know how to do it, where to start it. Or maybe I could say you are going to start your own business and you are certainly not having too much of liberty to spend a lot of money on different softwares. So I hope most of your requirements might get fulfilled here absolutely free at no cost. All right. So this Softaculous application app installer is basically it is an application wherein you got multiple scripts are already available and you can use them just by doing a single click. You click install and you're ready to use it. Now I will take you through most of things one by one and probably you will understand how you can go and make use of it. All right. Now here, first thing what you got to see is the blog. So if you want to make a blog site. So right now we all know by default for making a blog site you've got WordPress. But I could say, my dear friend, WordPress is just one of these CMS. There are these many different other CMS available, so you can go and make use of it. WordPress, Pubwana, Serendipity, Clear, Beauty Evolution, Text Pattern, LifeTab, Nucleus, Stimulate, Chirp, SitePad, and many of these. So trust me, you can go and use any of these applications to create your a blog site. Now, how do you choose which is really good for you? So here, when you go and look at each and every application, let's say I want to see what is Pavana. So click on this Pavana and you could see the details. So Pavana has not been updated for more than 2 years and may no longer be maintained or supported by the script vendor. So here you got a very clear indication that Pavana might not be a very good option for you to choose. Reason being, they are discontinuing this product. Right? It has not been updated from 2 years, so it's not a good idea to go and use it. But otherwise, in case you know about it and want to use it, you can see the overview. Details. Open blog is a now Pavana. Pavana is our rebranded open blog which we rebuilt for fastest CMS to your personal blog and a website and a small business site. Pavana is released under MIT license. What are the features this gives you? This gives you dashboard, easy blogging, comment system, media manager, sitemap and robot you are going to get. You are going to get a user creation, themes, widgets, link, social link, settings, Google integration, and navigation. These are the features which Pavana is providing if you use their application. How about WordPress? Let's check it out. I can go to the features and see what is that we have. Powered more than 23% of websites. The simplicity, flexibility, publish with ease, publishing tool, user management, media management, full standard compliance, easy theme system, easy with the extend with plugins, built-in comments, search engine optimized WordPress, multilingual, own your own data, freedom WordPress, community and contribute. So these are the features which are being provided by WordPress. How about Serendipity? Look at this guy. So Serendipity is a PHP powered weblog application which gives the user an easy way to maintain an online diary, weblog, and even a complete home page. With the default package is designed for the casual blogger. Serendipity offers a flexible, expandable, and easy to use framework with the power of professional applications. It's free, open, and available under the BSD 3 class license. You could see the features as well. Simple, robust editing, anti-spam, RPC editing, dynamic trackback, pingback plugin, so many things are there, right? So here, as I said, you can really go and use it. And if you want to see the screenshot, they would be available here for to go and see the look and feel. And in case maybe you want to see the demo, how does it really work? So some of the applications are already having the demo. You can go and use it and check how does it look like. You can pass. Okay, this is not working. Fair enough. Okay, so if you want to make a blog, if you're not happy with the WordPress, then do not worry, you got many more other options available. Then you got to see MicroBlog. Now, what is MicroBlog? It is a blog with a limited characters content. Technically, if I talk about a microblogging platform which is most popular right now is your Twitter. So if you want to make an application which is similar like a Twitter, then that can be done using StatusNet Storyteller applications. Let's see what is Storyteller. Has not been updated for more than 2 years, no longer maintained supported by the script vendor. That's bad. How about StatusNet? Same here as well. So anyways, but still it will work. The only thing is these guys are not really updating it. Fair enough. Now we got to see portal or CMS. Now here comes a question. What is the difference between website and portal? So if you know the answer, please put in the chat or put in the comment section. I'll be happy to get your responses. Right? I will certainly mention the answer in the comment section here about what is the difference between portal and a website. But I strongly recommend you should go and do your research. Super. So if you want to make your own portal and using the enterprise applications, probably you can use Joomla, you can use Droopal, you can use MODX. So there are different beautiful applications that are available here for you to make use of it. So I could say only one thing right now, my dear friend. So if you remember when I was insisting you to get your hosting on a HostGator or something of that kind, the only reason is I'm telling you that you are going to get ample opportunities to learn many more things, not only WordPress. WordPress is not the ultimate end goal of you learning it. You have to keep on learning more things. So you want to learn Joomla, you want to become a really good uh, uh, website design and development guy who want to make enterprise applications, right? Then in that case, you have to learn Joomla. You can learn Concrete 5. MODX is a very, very useful application actually. Have to see? These are really one of the most popular applications that are basically onto this side. Then you got a Drupal, as I said, right? Just so many. I mean, just this endless. Okay. Now, if you want to make a forum, what is a forum? If you know about Quora.com, so Quora.com is actually a forum site wherein you are going to ask a question and people are going to respond to you with an answer. Or if anybody has asked a question and you want to reply to those questions, so you are going to get a forum. So people with a like-minded thoughts are coming and collaborating here with the content and information sharing. So if you think that that is what is happening or on your mind for your business, you want to create a platform for your visitors, for your customers, from your different stakeholders, so go and make a forum website using PHP BB, MyBB, AF, Vanilla, PubB, PunB, BB Press. These are very, very popular ones. Use any of these applications and make your beautiful forum site. All right. Image galleries. You want to make a image galleries website, go and make use of it. You want to make something like a Wikipedia, use these applications. Or maybe you are trying to make your own a new social media portal, maybe like Facebook, right? Use Dolphin, very amazing platform, or Oxwall, Jcow. These are really very useful scripts. They will allow you to get your social media up and running in a couple of minutes. You're done, right? You want to have a website which is all about ad management. You want to serve ad on a website, right? Use it. OS class, revive ad server or Y class. Right? Y class is a free open source powerful PHP classified script that can help you start a website and turn it into a fully customizable classified site within a few minutes. You want to make a classified website like OLX. This is what you need. Got it? Maybe revived ad server. Revive ad server enables publisher and ad network and advertiser to serve ad on a website in apps in the video player and collect detailed statistics about impressions, clicks, and conversion. Interesting one. Interesting one. What is a Revive ad server? Is the open source ad server formerly known as OpenX source. If you know OpenX, it is one of the most popular ad server, ad exchange, programmatic advertising ad exchange network. So it is an application from them only. Revive ad server can create something of that sort very quickly. I'm certainly going to try one of these very soon. Wow. Fantastic. Let me click on install. Let me see if I can find out here something. Forum, I got it here. I'm just creating it right now. Admin. I could say forum at 123 hash. Okay. Rest, I'm not going to do anything here. And click on install and check one more time forum.picworks. Install. Wow. So I got my ad server website up and running. So it was forum. Wow. This is so super. Statistics, inventory, preferences. I can have my banners. I could see here, I could go statistics, yeah. How many advertiser and campaigns I'm handling, global statistics, website and zoned, advanced reports. This is such a lovely thing, man. I tell you. Wow, I am able to make my own ad server. Nothing better than this. Admin portion. Okay, this same one. I need to learn about it. Work as a default manager, administrator. Okay, more widgets. Quit PM, dot project. There's so many of them. Use any of these to develop an application. Okay. Now below is the ERP. If you are the guy who you think, or maybe sorry, e-commerce. So right now you might be wondering that e-commerce websites can be built only by using WordPress. I'm sorry, my dear friend, you've got many more options available. Many more. There's a huge list. But the popular ones I could tell you: AbandCart, OpenCart, OS Commerce. Then you've got Magento here, which is again one of the most popular one. Magento. Then prestashop. I was using prestashop and Magento long ago. Where's prestashop? Magento. Aband, prestashop is not here. Tomcat Art. The hosting, Lightcard, 30 beans, CubeCard, Ninja, Xcard, open source, OSPS. So by the way, OSPS is the billing software. In case you are into billing and you've got your own retail store and you don't have any billing software of your own, then you can go and use open source point of sales, which will allow you to capture the data. You can connect your scanner, billing printer, and you can do everything seamlessly. Amazing, simple application. Don't need to spend a heavy money on any other software. Invoice plane. You can want to send invoices to your client. Go and use it. Oh my god, trust me, like it has got millions of options available. All you think you have to just spend time here. PrestaShop, this is what I was talking about. Very useful. And so on and so forth. Alright, then you go to ERP software. You want an application which can manage your clients, customers, data. So VTiger, Doribar, Yedifos, Sugar CRM. Most of you would be knowing Suit CRM. Front accounting software. Orange HRM. These are really one of the popular ones, very popular ones. Go and use it to create your own ERP software. Guestbooks, customer support ticketing system. For example, now this is very popular nowadays. So most of the companies, they expect you to go and develop a ticketing system for their business, wherein they can handle the customers' queries and questions in a seamless way. Make use of these applications and develop your own ticketing system. Framework. This I do not know what is framework, but in case you want to use any particular framework, like PHP is the framework, you want to use something of that sort, use this framework apart from PHP. You want to make an educational website. When I say educational, I'm talking about the like a website which is having the LMS, learning management system, wherein the lessons are already created. People can take up the test, they can read it, they can look at everything. So it is all in one place where they are getting everything done for them. You want to make something of that sort, then there's nothing better than Moodle. Moodle is an open source, and I could say Moodle is being used in all the IITs, Indian Institute of Technologies in India. Very powerful tool. And in fact, I could say all the popular LMSs what you see in the industry, they all have been developed on the base of Moodle. That is the beauty of Moodle. Good. You got even database tools. You want to use a couple of more ones. So PHP admin, we always say C2, Chivy, VTV. You want to make a music website, podcast generator, Amplique, Amplio, Ampatcher. These are different scripts available for you to make your own music site. You want to make a video website. So Clip Bucket, Cumulus Clips would be good for you. RSS file manager, and there are some more other softwares are already available. They are not being classified, but if there is anything, you can go and read about them more. You can get to see a beautiful ideas. All right. So I hope now you might have got a very fair idea how to use Cpanel. Now,